Yeah, say hello. Hmm? Say hello to my subscribers. Say hello. Joshua. Yeah, say hello. Say hello. Say hi, guys. Welcome to Mommy Channel. Yeah, now. Joshua. Say hello. Hmm? My baby. Yeah, say hello. You don't answer. You don't want to answer. You don't want to answer your mommy, Abby. Yeah, say hello. Say hello now. You don't answer me. I'll not play with you again. Hello, guys. Your baby Joshua don't want to say hi to you guys. So this is the gele I want to tie for you guys. This gele is so easy, guys. If you don't know how to tie gele, I'm very sure you can try this to church on Sunday. You can try this to church on Sunday. So here's my ashoke, normal ashoke. That is what I'm using. Normal 3 line of ashoke. That is what I'm making use of. So I'm taking it from the back. So the hand has to be equal, like 50-50. So it has to be equal. The hand has to be equal. So I want to use like office pin to pin it down there. Sorry, I'm picking office pin there. So I'll be using office pin like so. I'm using office pin to pin it down there. This office pin that I'm putting is optional. If you like, don't put it. So the next thing now, I'll be twisting the gele like that. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. Like so. Twisting it like that. So I'll start rolling it like that. That is it. Then bring it to the side like so. Here's the back. So I'll still come back to that front and adjust it, but before that I'll use like office pin to pin the excess remaining and like that. I'll be using office pin to pin it down. So here is it. I'm showing you the back. I'm using office pin to pin it down there. This gele is so easy, guys, and you can use paper gele also, sego gele. You can make use of it. Gele is so easy, guys. So if you tie this to church now, who will say you did not tie gele? So here is it, guys. So easy. So easy and simple. One thing about this gele style, you can tie it to like, you can tie it on English dressing also, if you like. So I want to shift it back to the back. I want to shift it back to the back little. So that is it, guys. So this is the finished look of the gele. So easy. see me feeling myself here with the gele. All right, guys, I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.